Today's our lecture is fire alarm and detection system. A fire detection system recognizes when a fire is occurring and activates the fire alarm system. Alert occupants may alert the fire department, may automatically activate fire suppression system. Fire alarm system is very essential for today's life. We know we have every community, in every room, in everywhere we have smoke detector, we have heat detector, and we have multi detector. So have to know about these things. So fire alarm and detection system can be very simple or very complex. This system generally have the same basic components. So we have a lot of fire alarm systems. Some are very complex, some are very easy to use. Now we just elaborate how to read and how to check all the fire alarm system. Now we have residential fire alarm system. Single station smoke alarm, most common type of residential fire alarm system. Includes both a smoke detection device and an audible alarm within a single unit. Millions installed in private buildings and apartments. This sort of smoke detector, we have individual smoke detector with having a battery. We install this smoke detector in a room with no panel system, having just only one battery and detect with heat. If there is any sort of smoke, it activate individual and have to close with this button. Smoke alarm can be battery powered or hardwired to a 110-volt electrical system. As we discussed earlier, we have a smoke detector with battery powered. So up to date codes require a new homes to have a smoke alarm in every bedroom and on every floor level. Many home fire alarm systems are part of security system. So we know we have this residential fire alarm system which is very good for one room. There's no supply, there's nothing, so we can adjust this smoke detector and we have very beneficial result of this smoke system. The next one is ionization versus photoelectric smoke detector. Ionization detectors are triggered by the invisible product of combustion. Photoelectric detect are triggered by the visible product of combustion. If we are going to next step, so we have another smoke detector which is ionization, which is worked by photoelectric sensors. So now we are moving alarm initiating devices. So when alarm occur, how we check alarm, how we go there. So these are the steps we follow and we know how about the alarm system. So components that activate a fire alarm system: manual initiating device require human activation, automatic devices function without human interventions. So we have some panels which focus the alarm systems. So we discuss about these panels. So right now we have manual initiating device, MCP. When you go another room or a market or another clinic, you saw this sort of buttons. So these are basically MCP buttons. This designed so that building occupants can activate the fire alarm system. Primary manual initiate device is the manual fire alarm box or manual pull station. Once activated, should stay in the activated position until it is reset. So when you go there, you saw there's some fire or some smoke and there's no smoke detector. You just pull this button and then the alarm go to the panel and then fire team will come and fire suppressed. So this is the next double action pull station. So right now we are using this sort of button because this is very good for right now, because this is having some security system to avoid fake alarm system. Variation on the double action pull station is designed to prevent Malicious false alarm is covered with a piece of clear plastic, often used in areas where malicious false alarm frequently occurs. So these are for safety for fire department, because when you are trying to pull this one, you have to open the this glass, then you have to trigger the pull session. So these are more secure than the other one. So now we are talking about automatic initiating devices. Designated to function without human intervention, can use several different types of detectors. Some detectors activate by smoke or by invisible product of combustions. Other react to heat, height, light produced by an open flame or specific gases. So now we are discuss about the automatic system. Well, smoke detector, designed to sense the presence of smoke, commonly found in schools, hospitals, business, and commercial occupancies with fire alarm system. Most common are ionization and photoelectric detectors. So we are discussed already about this smoke detector. Can provide heat detector. Now we are moved ahead to heat detectors. Can provide properly protection but can't provide reliable life safety protection. Generally used in situations where smoke alarm can't be used, often installed in unheated areas, generally very reliable and less prone to false alarm than smoke detector. So we are using sometime surrounding air rises more than a set amount in a given period of time. Most rate of rise heat detectors are self-restoring, generally respond faster to most fires than fixed temperature heat detectors. So these are very simple things. We are already discussed about these things. So we have move ahead. Now this is a new thing that is using by somewhere where wildfire will occur. So these are flame detectors, specialized devices that detect the electromagnetic light waves produced by flames, typically found in places where early detection and rapid reaction to a fire is critical, complicated and expensive. But these are very good devices, but having a lot of expense if you want to buy this one, so it is gonna be empty your pocket. Now we are moving ahead. Gas detectors. So calibrated to detect the presence of a specific gas need regular calibration, usually found only in specific commercial or industrial appliance applications. We are using gas detector mostly in our industries, in our companies where having chance of gas leakage, like hazmat industries. So we are using this one because they detect the heat, gas, and also smoke. Air sampling detector. These are very rare using in fire detection system. We didn't oftenly seen this one. Continuously capture air samples and measures the concentrations of specific gases or product of combustion. It also measures gases, the consistency of gases in the air. Alarm initial by fire suppression system. So this system is generally introduced by fire alarm initial by fire suppression system. System alert building occupiers and the fire department to possible fire. Ensure that someone is aware water is flowing in case of an accidental discharge. False, unwanted and noise alarm. So always there is a big problem when we are dealing with fire alarm. Mostly alarm are fake. In a study of 2017 of NFPA, there is 67% alarm in communities are fake, because these are very sensitive. Smoke detector, if someone using showers or someone trying to laundry or someone using some spray, so it will be triggered. So how to avoid these false alarm we can discuss now. So, what about